guys, Frank's Conception here, and today I have a special product to review. Here's the logo. Here's the box. The box is very high quality. Now, as you can see by the title, you probably already know what this is. But for the people who don't, this is the Bastron touchscreen keyboard. Take a look in the inside of the box. We have that. And we have the keyboard itself. And the keyboard is completely see-through and touchscreen. Yeah. If you can guess what dog is right next to me, I'll give you this keyboard for free. No, I'm just kidding. Seriously. Okay. I'm going to move the keyboard. We have our instruction manual. And we have more packaging. So, that is really all that comes inside the box. Oh, and the USB cord, which I have over there. I'm too lazy to go get. So we have our touchscreen keyboard. Now when you plug it into your computer and start using it, basically it lights up around every keyboard. It's almost like a phone, touchscreen. The one thing I must note is it's very sensitive, so one wrong tap here or there and you're going to have typos everywhere. But this is an awesome product. Just look at it. Backwards. Letters are backwards too. Very nice, very thin. It is glass, I believe, so I wouldn't recommend dropping it. That wouldn't work out too well for you. And I'll show you a view of it. Grass. That's what it looks like. Very nice product. I highly recommend it. It's different than your standard keyboard, but it works via USB, and I think it's really cool. The pricing ranges from $100 to $130 from where I've seen, and I received this product as a free sample for review. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Frank's Conception out.